Hey guys! Are you want to buy best window tints? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best window tints that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at MotoShield Pro Premium Ceramic Window Tint. The MotoShield Pro Premium Ceramic Window Tint takes the Best Overall award thanks to its high-quality materials. This film isn't inexpensive, but when you consider the quality of its construction, it's fair to say it's good value for money. The Nano Ceramic Window Tint is 2 mm thick and comes in a 20-inch x 10-foot roll, meaning you'll have to cut it if you want to apply it yourself. The ceramic film blocks 99% of UV rays and up to 99% of infrared heat. It can reduce your vehicle's interior temperature by up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is a great option for anyone who wants to keep their car protected and cool. This tint comes in 7 shades ranging from 5% to 75%. Since this film is ceramic, you don't need to worry about it turning purple over time, and it won't block signals to your cell phone or GPS unit. There's a wide range of sizes available, meaning you don't need to buy more than you require. There are less expensive options on the market, but most of them won't be ceramic. Now our second product is Gila Heat Shield. The Gila Heat Shield is the perfect option for anyone who wants to tint their window but is working off a tight budget. This film is made with dye technology, which reduces glare but unfortunately tends to fade and turn purple over time. You have 3 tint options to choose from: 5%, 20%, and 35%. The Heat Shield will offer you some heat protection but won't provide as much UV protection as other models on this list. This model comes in 2 by 6.5 feet strips and includes an application kit, which is impressive considering its low price. The deep dye technology used in this film is scratch resistant. Although it'll fade eventually, it should look good for thousands of miles. Our third product is Desert Pre-Cut Carbon Ceramic Tint Kit. The Desert Pre-Cut Carbon Ceramic Tint Kit offers a practical solution for vehicle owners seeking enhanced comfort, privacy, and style. This high-quality tint kit features carbon ceramic film, which effectively blocks up to 99% of UV rays, protecting passengers and upholstery from sun damage. It also reduces heat, ensuring a cooler interior and less strain on the vehicle's air conditioning system. The pre-cut design simplifies installation, tailored to fit specific vehicle models for a precise and professional look without the hassle of manual cutting. The carbon ceramic construction minimizes glare, enhancing driving safety and comfort, especially during bright conditions. Unlike traditional tints, this advanced material ensures durability, resisting fading and bubbling over time. The tint also provides an added layer of privacy by limiting visibility into the vehicle. With its easy application and long-lasting benefits, the Desert Pre-Cut Carbon Ceramic Tint Kit is an excellent investment for improving your car's aesthetics and functionality. Now number 4, Truline Automotive Pre-Cut Window Tint. If you don't want to cut your window tint film from a roll, choose the computer-customized pre-cut window tint. You enter the type of kit you want along with the make, model, and year of your vehicle, and you'll receive pre-cut window tint film for each window. There are other kit options that exclude various windows, so you don't pay for more than you need. For example, if you don't want your windshield tinted or only want your rear window tinted, you can choose that kit. The tint shade options are 5%, 20%, 35%, and 50%, so not as high as other models on this list, but still a decent variety. The downside to this product is it's a bit pricier than other options, but at least you can rest assured that you'll have a perfect fit. And our last choice is Zanch Window Tint Kit. This all-in-one kit includes multiple squeegees, a razor scraper with extra blades, and a cutter knife, providing you with every essential tool for a seamless, professional quality installation. Ergonomically designed with innovative simplicity, these tools ensure effortless use. Perfect for newcomers, this kit gives you the confidence to achieve professional results on your very first try. The Blue Rubber Tint Squeegee and Conqueror Squeegee just need a few strokes to remove all the water drops off any flat, smooth surfaces. Allows you to effortlessly clean car windows, home glass doors or windows, mirrors, and other surfaces. This kit features tint tools specifically designed for tight gaps and corners, including the corner squeegee and shank squeegee. It enables precise handling of intricate details, ensuring you flawless results in hard-to-reach areas every time. Engineered for car wraps, window tint, home window film, and peel-and-stick wallpaper, this tinting kit meets all your film needs, giving you flawless coverage and a professional finish on any films. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.